Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. Now I want you to look at the BLIFT today. You know what? Today's class is going to be very interesting because today you don't have to write, you just have to speak it out. And for your help, I have given you sample sentences. You don't have to learn those sentences, just read them once and you can rephrase them or you can come up with your own sentences. Because the BLIFT says that you have to engage yourself in simple conversation. And that simple conversation can be making a phone call, or it can be giving directions, or it can be introducing themselves. Now, this speaking activity is very interesting today because I have given you a recipe card. You just have to look at the recipe card and look at the processes and just repeat the processes into sentences. Yes, you just have to make sentences out of these words or phrases given on the recipe card. But still, I have made sample sentences for you. You just have to read them. There is no need to learn it. You can rephrase it, you can make it smaller, you can come up with your own sentences. But as this is your first BLIFT regarding to the oral communication, I have helped you with the sample sentences. If you want, you can pause this slide, look at the sentences, and then you can carry out this speaking activity in front of the class. But yes, you have to repeat this all processes. Yes, do not skip any process in the recipe card because at the end of the day you cannot come up with the recipe. All right, now what you have to do is to look at the upcoming slide in which a child like you is going to say all of these sentences while facing the class. So what you have to do, sit or stand confidently in front of the class, repeat all of the procedures, and turn by turn you have to come, give your presentation and go back to your seat. Now look at the slide.
Mix the olive oil, warm water, and yeast. Add the flour and salt to the bowl. Knead the dough until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Divide the dough into 12 equal. Roll each piece into a flat circle. Place the dough circles on parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven.
So this is how you're going to carry out your instruction activity in the class. This is as simple as that, but you are allowed to look at the sample sentences, but not while giving your presentation. I hope you will going to enjoy this upcoming speaking activity. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.